Mother Nature All Dressed Up is a contemporary papel picado inspired artwork. This piece is now part of the Indiana State Museum permanent collection. A traditional Mexican folkloric dress appears within the fabric of the natural world to give visibility of the vastness and beauty of Latina, Latino, and Latinx communities living in Indiana. First, I hand-cut the design onto acid-free, heavy-duty, black seamless paper as one continuous hand-cut piece, leaving the negative spaces to be filled with colorful tissue paper to bring it to life. The tissue paper method is one of my earliest techniques I invented to honor the traditional Mexican craft of papel picado, which is created with tissue paper. The beauty of experiencing 4 seasons in the Midwest gave me the freedom to design waterways like the White River, where I love to kayak year-round. You can now see Mother Nature all dressed up at the Indiana State Museum as a permanent collection. I am Beatriz Vázquez, papel picado inspired artist.